Hey there! In this video, we'll explain why search engine optimization, SEO, is an ongoing process and the steps you'll need to take to reach your goals, such as discovering what words and phrases people use to search for your products or services and improve the content on your site. There is no shortcut for search engine optimization, which helps you improve your website's visibility to people who are searching for products or services like yours. The first step is called keyword research, discovering what words or phrases people are looking for when they are searching for products and services related to your business. Let's say you have a small farm and have begun a fresh fruit and veg delivery service. Once you know what people are searching for, maybe vegetarian recipes or sustainable produce, you can optimize your content and offerings to better match what they are looking for. That might mean posting a weekly recipe or writing a blog about life on the farm. The work of SEO is never done because trends come and go. Users can change their behavior and search engines evolve over time. Your job is to consider how changes will impact your site and what you need to do to continue to attract unpaid organic traffic. Here are 4 quick tips on how to stay up to date on search. 1. Learn how search engines work. Many have blogs that offer updates on new features, algorithm changes, and suggestions on how to better optimize your website. 2. Keep an eye on changes and monitor how they affect your website. For instance, you might read that the major search engines made a change that improves users' experiences on mobile search results. If your website isn't optimized for mobile devices, you'd probably want to update your website to be more mobile friendly. 3. Find inspiration from other websites. Do they offer free shipping? Are they active on social networks? Do they regularly update their website with photos? Adopt the practices that will work best for your business. And finally, 4. Talk to your customers. They have the best insights on what content your site is missing, features that are needed, or products that they're looking for. Even the way your customers describe your products can be a form of keyword research, as they're likely to use those same terms to search. And there you have it, the ongoing SEO process. It's simply understanding what visitors want, creating and sharing the content they're searching for, and being willing to change tactics when necessary.